Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Miso Soup Dye of Death, full guide. Begin by choosing a robust dashi base and a quality white or red miso for bold flavor. Keep everything food safe and theatrical, not dangerous, and plan your plating like a short performance. I will walk you through ingredient timing, temperature control, garnishes, and a safe reveal that feels dramatic yet entirely edible and guest-friendly. Start by gathering precise amounts in small prep containers to keep the process smooth. Measure 4 cups dashi, 2 tablespoons miso, and cubed tofu in one area, then hydrate wakame separately. Prep garnishes like sliced scallions, a lemon wedge, and a few toasted sesame seeds to finish. Organization lets you time the dramatic reveal perfectly while maintaining great flavor, temperature, and safety throughout service. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more fun cooking guides. Quick recommendation: the containers you see make meal prep and dramatic plating so much easier and spill-free, perfect for soup staging. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can learn more about these handy tools. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat dashi to just below simmer and avoid boiling to keep flavors bright and clear. Off the heat, dissolve miso in a ladle with warm dashi before returning it, then gently add tofu and wakame to bowls. Position bowls for presentation, then pour the soup slowly for a theatrical steam reveal. Finish with scallions, a light drizzle of sesame oil, and a lemon twist to lift the flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.